Hey everyone, so previously I made a video on my first month of Amazon KDP, and pretty much I had the huge success of, I believe it was $2.52 in sales, roughly, for the month of September. So now let's take a look at my October sales, which it is freaking massive. Let's take a look. So from October 1st to October 31st, I have sold a total of 6 books. Two of them are composition notebooks, which I was surprised that they sell. I haven't gotten any other sales in that. I think those might have been just a one off thing. All of my sales are coming from the more specialized books, more so coupon books that I've been making. And like I said before, that's the route I'm going to go. So I actually have only made, I think, one additional book for the month of October. I was extremely busy, work's been busy, and unfortunately, I haven't had a lot of time to make it. So I've got roughly 100 books in my Amazon KDP account, still roughly the same as last month. But this month, I earned $4.20. And I know you're thinking that is nothing. Yeah, I put in a massive amount of time making those 100, which I need probably about $200 to $300, 200 to 300 more books in there to actually start earning roughly, I'd say, $10. But overall, I am extremely satisfied with this amount. This is great because this is 100% passive money. And hopefully, for the month of November, I'll earn the same or more. And yeah, it'll just keep building onto this. Some months will be lower, some months will be higher, but overall, I'm earning some passive income, and I try to get that with dividends. But overall, I think in addition to supplementing my account, this is the route I need to go, kind of the business aspect. So yeah, I hope this inspires you to kind of maybe create your own Amazon KDP account, because I'm not a an artist or anything. Just I try to make books that the covers that I think are nice, and so far I've sold 6, so that's pretty awesome. My goal is to earn $10 a month. That's my yearly goal, but we'll see. It depends on how many books I make, how many I sell, but overall, I just hope this inspires you. And yeah, please like and subscribe if you like uh, enjoy seeing these kind of videos. And eventually I'll start diving into actually making the books and kind of what I've got under my account eventually. So thanks, have a good one.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.